Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. The topic for today is functions in JavaScript. Now function is a set of statements that takes input, it does some specific the task, and it's going to produce an output. So you are going to make something happen in your program with the help of function. Let's see what is the basic syntax. You first create a function, you specify what needs to be done, and then you call that function. You need to define your function, you put the task, and then you call the function. The syntax is first you write function and then you write the function name. The function name can be anything which you want to specify, and you have to pass some parameters to it, some values to it, and then in the body, function body, you are going to write the task, you are going to execute the program. Now to create a function in JavaScript, we have to first use the keyword function, then the name, and then the parameters. What needs to be performed, that is inside the body. Now what is function definition? We have to create always a function in JavaScript. We don't use a user defined one. Okay? The function statement should be there. Now once you write the function, then you need to write the function name. That should be unique, and I would suggest always write function name according to your task. Consider you want to do the addition, keep your function name to be add. If you want to do the subtraction, keep the name to be sub. So whatever, so that's easier to understand, and when you're calling it and you check the program, it's easier for you to link. Okay, now list of parameters is enclosed within parentheses and separated by commas. And then we have the body inside the curly bracket. Consider here we are doing the addition, so we have written function's name to be calc addition. It can be anything, you can write any unique name according to your understanding. Then you're passing two numbers. For addition you will need two numbers here. You want to perform the addition of two numbers, so you will pass two numbers, and then in the body you are going to return it. It means you have to execute it, number 1 plus number 2, and then in console.log we are calling the function. This calc addition we have written again, whatever the function name was we have written here, and here we have passed number 1 and number 2. So while calling the function we have written the values also. So we will just see how that we have seen how the declaration was performing. This is the way of declaring function in JavaScript. So this way you will get the output. Now let's move to the function declaration. Now this is used to declare a function with the keyword, the name. This is the name of your function. Then you pass the parameters and you put the statements. Thank you. Let's move to the code. Now we are going to do one function in the JavaScript to understand how do we call the function. So I'll write P. I'm just going to give the name as a demo. Now let's start writing inside a script tag. And then I'm going to close script tag. This is inside my body. Now in this I'm going to write function. This is the function keyword which is mandatory. Then you write my function. This is the name which I've kept. So I'll just put the parameters now. Here I'm going to pass parameter 1, parameter 2. And then I'm going to open the curly bracket. In this what I want to do is, we have seen we use return, and I'm going to perform the addition. So I'm going to write P2. So I have performed the addition. Now I want to execute this. To print something in JavaScript you use document. You can print it in the console if you want, or we can print it on the screen by using document.getElement by id. Then we write demo, the id name which we have created, dot inner html. This is to print something. You will see how you get the output with this. And I'm calling my function. My function name is my function. Whatever spelling you write or whatever uppercase, lowercase you write here, please call with the same characters only. Only then your program is going to work. I want to perform the addition. I'll pass 2 comma 2. You can pass any two numbers here. I'll pass 2 comma 2. I'll save this program and let's go to the Google Chrome and execute it. You can see 2 plus 2, 4 is coming. I'll change the values. I'll change this sign. I'll keep multiplication. And here I'll give 3. Let's run and execute. So you can see the number changed. So what is the main rule? To create a unique function, pass the values, perform the body. Then here when you call your function, whatever your function name is here, it should be same here. Consider you're passing 3 values for some reason here. For whatever code you want to do, 3 values should be passed here also. Hope function is clear for everyone. Thank you so much.